Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about what does it mean to manifest someone. So if you like the video related to manifestation power, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin this go. What does it mean to manifest someone? Is it like magic or something we have seen happening in movies? Magical things come about at the wave of a wind and using superpowers. Is this what happens when we manifest someone? Not really. Things like that happen only in the fictional world or the make believe realm of magic. In real life, there is no magic or people with superpower. In the real world, however, we can create the same magical effect using the power of our mind. We can manifest whatever we want into our life using tools and techniques offered by the law of attraction. Now, the question is, what is manifesting? The definition of manifestation is to make it happen. To manifest something means to visualize your desire and harness the power of your imagination to make it a reality. In short, manifesting means to make dreams come true. The law of attraction makes the process of manifestation simpler with easy to easy follow steps: ask, believe, and receive. These are the basic principles of manifesting something or someone. The process of manifestation works when the energy vibration are a match. That is when your vibrational frequency is the same as that of your desire. This is possible by raising your energy level using the various manifestation techniques available to you, such as visualization, affirmation, and gratitude. Now, how to get ready for the manifestation process? The basic tenet of manifestation is truth. You should be true to yourself about your desire, intention, and at every step of the process. For most people, this would be a new experience as we are conditioned to mask your feelings or act the way we are expected to. To shake off this well entrenched habit and embrace truth, you would require substantial mental preparedness. Another crucial part of the manifestation process is a positive attitude. Without a positive mindset, the manifestation stands no chance at succeeding. Even in iota of negativity creeping into your mind at any point in the process can sabotage the entire manifestation. Developing a positive mental outlook should be made part of the initial mental preparedness program. The manifesting process starts with asking yourself what you want or who you want to become or who you want to be with. You may end up with a big list of desire when you ask yourself these questions. Don't worry, there is a way to sort it out. The most important thing about manifesting desire is to ensure that you really want it. To find out, you need to spend some time understanding yourself and your desire and find answers to what if questions such as what if the desire remains unfulfilled or what if manifestation exceeds your expectation. After some deep consideration, you will end up with a much shorter list. At this point, if you want to manifest all the remaining desire, no worries. You may prioritize them and take them on one by one. It would be advisable, especially for beginners, not to attempt multiple manifestations at the same time. Now, the question is how to manifest someone. Before you begin to manifest someone, it is recommended that you set the goal as a loving partner, lasting relationship, or someone you can trust and will always have your back. The idea here is to be not specific about who you are desiring. It is better to leave that to the universe, as your mind may be clouded due to circumstances beyond your control. Trust the universe to bring you the right person at the right time. When you wish to manifest a special someone into your life, you are not manifesting a specific person, rather a relationship with a special someone. Here the relationship is actually your desire and not the person. The next step is to become a vibrational match for that relationship with someone you are wishing for. To make this happen, you need to calm yourself and to look into your feeling, thought, and belief. Do you sense any fear, desperation, or depression? As you know, these are all negative energies. You need to work on yourself to get rid of them. As long as you have negative feelings and belief, you are blocking your manifestation effort. There will be no chance of success. This is where the manifestation technique come in handy. Used in the right manner, you can manage to eliminate the negativity with positive thoughts and belief. Some do's and don'ts when manifesting someone. When your mind is filled with negative thought and you are thinking about that special or being in a loving relationship, you are sending the wrong vibes to the person. This will make them go further away from you. Think about the special someone you want to manifest in your life only when you are calm, content, and in a happy place. When you are feeling down or uncertain, divert your mind to some other topic. Try not to think about your relationship. Desperation creates a major block in the manifestation attempt when you try too hard to get into a relationship or to stay in one. You are again sending negative vibes to your special person. This will only drive them away further. Because when you are unhappy with your life and always trying to find the elusive happiness elsewhere, you are not going to find it. You need to be happy when you are to get what you want. You can get rid of desperation only if you're happy in your present position in life. You need to learn to accept and embrace your present station in life and feel happy and peaceful before you try to attract your desire. One of the most important points to remember is to be happy in your own skin. That is, you should have a good relationship with yourself instead of trying to find happiness and contentment outside. You should be able to find it within yourself. Final thought on this: our mind play a vital role in the manifestation process. The success in manifestation depend on your ability to shift your reality with visualization and affirmation and to believe in this wholeheartedly without any reservation. The power of manifestation lies in your mind and mind alone. The better control you have over it, the easier and faster the manifestation will be. That's all about the manifestation in this video. I hope you all liked it. For all of you, I prepared a small presentation that will be going to share in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, please do like, share, subscribe this video with your loved ones so that they will get to know better. So this is Carrie Anderson signing off. Please do take care of your health. We will definitely meet in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.